Ironwood Electronics recently developed a high-performance spring pin socket for a BGA500 device. One of the challenges with these thing is it needs to have a very low inductance. So the spring pins used in this socket is a 0.46 nanohenry and it can handle 36 GHz bandwidth. These sockets are used in an extreme thermal cycling application that goes from minus 55 to plus 150 degrees C. In order to use the socket is mounted on the board using the hardware. The device with the right orientation is aligned with the socket and placed inside. The lid has a compression plate with the screw that is snapped inside, and the force is applied by turning the compression screw, which compresses the device down to the board. Thereby the connection is made and the testing can be completed. Thank you.